Welcome to the Posture Makeover. I'm so happy you're here. I'm Paula Moore, posture doctor, chiropractor, online educator with a fellowship in the physics of posture. You might be wondering, is this course right for me? Let me see if I can answer that. I designed this course for the home exerciser, either a true beginner, someone who likes exercise but has little experience doing posture exercises, or someone more experienced with posture size. They've enrolled in one of my previous best-selling courses, would like to sample each of them without having to enroll in all of them. If you're someone who's actively involved in your health and well-being, you're interested in posture, but most of all, you'd like to look and feel your best. So now that we know more about you, let's take a look inside the course. The Best of Posture series is a collection of the most viewed, most popular posture exercises from 9 of my best-selling courses. It includes the most frequently viewed lectures by 10,000 previously enrolled students in countries around the world. By the end of the course, you'll have over 50 posture exercises to choose from that target every area of your body and address issues like text neck, forward head posture, neck hump, round shoulders, spinal stiffness, muscle knots, and balance. And you'll even get a series of 5-minute workouts that you can download and print. There are no requirements to enroll on this course, only a real desire to regain attractive, upright posture. Go ahead now and take a good look at the course description and free previews, and I hope to see you inside the course.